The Central Bureau of Investigation has questioned former Indian Air Force Chief S.P. Tyagi in connection with Augusta-Westland chopper deal. His two cousins will be quizzed later in the week. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar will place all facts along with the detailed chronology before the Parliament on May 4th. The Rajya Sabha has been witnessing continuous disruptions over several issues including Augusta-Westland deal. Rajya Sabha Chairman Mohammad Hamid Ansari invoked Rule 255 against TMC MP Sukhendu Shekhar Roy and asked him to leave the House. The periodic review of implementation of the Special Economic Zone policy will not hurt the industry, Commerce Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said today in the Lok Sabha. The minister said the ongoing review and reform as necessary of government policy and procedure is inherent to public policy. In Uttarakhand, the intensity of fire in the forests has come down. The central government is taking all possible steps to control it. The Indian Air Force choppers and more than 6,000 men of the NDRF, SDRF and Forest Department are being deployed to douse the fire. Union Environment and Forest Minister Prakash Javadekar has said that 4 people have been arrested in connection with a forest fire in Uttarakhand. He said that the fire has been brought under control and will be doused in the next 3 to 4 days. Blistering heat continues to sweep many states including Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Haryana, with Hisar recording a maximum temperature of 44.7 degrees Celsius. The IMD has warned that heatwave conditions will prevail over few places in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana for the next 48 hours. Ajay Mittal today took charge as INB Secretary. Mittal is an IS officer from the 1982 batch. He is a law graduate, earlier posted as Principal Secretary in Himachal Pradesh. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre and the states on a PIL seeking direction to the governments that FIRs in respect of heinous crimes should be uploaded within 24 hours of the registration of the same. The Supreme Court upholds Madhya Pradesh Government's Act, which enables government to have 50% share in management seats. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear tomorrow petitions by some states and private medical colleges seeking permission to continue with their separate tests for admissions in MBBS and BDS courses. Veteran leader and co-founder of Bharatiya Jana Sangh, Balraj Madhok, passed away after a prolonged illness. He was 96. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed grief over his death. He had founded Bharatiya Jana Sangh along with Shyama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951 and also became its president twice. A special women's court in Mumbai has deferred the verdict on the Keenan Reuben murder case till the 5th of May. The two friends were brutally killed by miscreants on 20th October 2011 when they had opposed molestation of their friend. In West Bengal, 4 people were killed and 3 others were injured while they were allegedly making bombs in a house at Jaunpur in Malda district. 3 people died on the spot. Police are investigating to ascertain who the perpetrators were. Devotees visiting Punjab's Golden Temple will now have free Wi-Fi internet access within the temple complex and its peripheral area. The service will not be available inside the sanctum sanctorum of the temple and the marbled area around the water pond, keeping religious ethics in view. Nico Rosberg becomes only the 4th driver in Formula One history to record 7 successive wins when he cruised to victory ahead of Mercedes teammate Lewis Hamilton in Sunday's incident-filled Russian Grand Prix.